In this video, I want to take a quick moment to give you a tour of the various text editors you can use for this course. If you already have one you love using, you can stop watching now because you can keep using the one you have. There's no need to switch editors to get anything done in this course. Now, if you don't have one and you're looking for a few options, I always recommend using Atom, which you can find at atom.io. It's free, open source, and it's available on all operating systems, Linux, OS X, and Windows. It's created by the folks behind GitHub, and it's the editor that I'm going to be using inside of this course. There's an awesome community of theme and plugin developers, so you really can customize it to your liking. Now, aside from Atom, there are a few other options. I've heard a lot of people talking about Visual Studio Code, and they've been wondering why I don't use it in my courses. I don't have any hands-on experience with it, but it does look pretty appealing at first glance. It is also open source, free, and it's available on all operating systems. If you don't like Atom, I highly recommend checking this out because I've heard so many good things via word of mouth. Next up, we always have Sublime Text, which you can find at sublimetext.com. Now, Sublime Text is not free and it's not open source, but it's a text editor that a lot of folks do enjoy using. I prefer Atom because it's very similar to Sublime Text, though I find it snappier and easier to use, plus it's free and open source. Now, if you are looking for a more premium editor with all of the bells and whistles, an IDE, as opposed to a text editor, I always recommend JetBrains. None of their products are free, though they do come with a 30-day free trial, but they really are the best tools of the trade. If you find yourself in a corporate setting or you're at a job where the company is willing to pay for an editor, I always recommend going with JetBrains. All of their editors come with all of the tools you'd expect, like version control integration, debugging tools, and deploying tools built in. Now, it's definitely overkill for this course, but I wanted to make you aware that they exist, so down the line, you always have that choice. As I said before, in this course, I'm going to be using Atom. I highly recommend it. It has everything we need to create Node apps. So take a moment, download the one you want to use, play around with it, make sure it fits your needs. If not, try another one. When you're happy with one, you can move on to the next video where we're going to create our very first Node application, a really simple hello world example. So stay tuned. I will see you next time.